Hello, Indy here. In today's blog, I want to talk about the impact of AI on video production and what that means for the learner. As a video producer by trade, I've had to look at AI with a little bit of contempt about how easy it's all become. And I think keeping that kind of element of about it is important. However, it's very true that it is really impacting our world. So how does it impact video and learning? So let's talk about the production process first of all. It speeds up really when you can crunch your script through AI to produce something which is useful. Won't be perfect, but it gets you from A to B very quickly, and then obviously there's some tweaking to do to get to C, D or E, wherever it is you're going. With AI, the production process speeds up with avatars, that goes without saying, but also there is editing that can be done, voice transcription and synthesis which can be done. All of that moves things along very quickly. There is obviously the other things that AI can do, like enhancing the content visually. We know now all the music that can be produced with AI. So I'm not going to make this a long post about production because there's plenty of that out there. This is about how it impacts on the learner. So I've already talked about personalisation. If you go back to the hub, see the house button down there, you can search the word personalisation and find that video there. Well, I'm often touching on interactivity as well, so I'm not going to deal with that one here. I think perhaps it's worth mentioning accessibility, being able to produce content in the language of that person as well as potentially the clothing of that person, so it's a familiar face who's delivering the message. That's really important. And one of the things that video's always done well, and now we can do even better, is consistency. And we can update really easy. So I think this is one of the really important things for me, that you can change a script, and once that content is hosted, in the cloud, you don't have to change a link, but you can change a script, tweak it. You can add documents, you can update the documents, replace that video even if it's live. So that for me that's really important because the world keeps moving fast. So we're right at the beginning of this revolution, and I think it is a revolution. This is moving so quickly. We've got the efficiency of production, we've got all the benefits of using AI to understand the learner and what she needs. Dip your toe in the water. What training do you need to get online now, fast? Because we can do that with you. We can learn together about what works. There's so much data at the other end of it, and let's make the most of AI in training. So what do you need to do right now? Is it code of conduct? Is it some other compliance? Is it training on a piece of machinery? Is it training on a simple behavior, on a script maybe? We can help you produce that quickly in multiple languages for multiple different types of learners. We can personalize that with you, make it relevant. Let's get your training online fast.